Hi, I'm Jason Pruitt, training manager and barbecue expert for Weber Grill Academy, and I am excited to show you our Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection.
The Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection has everything you need to grill anything you want. Grillers want to cook as much as they can and as often as possible without multiple trips to the kitchen. To get started, remove the grate and put in the grillware that fits your mood and you're ready to go. The flat top is perfect for all kinds of food, day and night. Want to do eggs for breakfast? Or smash burgers for sliders? Our glazed baking stone is perfect for pizza and homemade cookies. Our roasting basket is great for caramelizing veggies and delicate seafood, as well as loading up the grill with your favorite side and protein. Our dual-sided Sear grate has a side for delicate foods like cauliflower steaks. You can also use the other side for larger cuts of meat. It's great for things like the reverse sear tomahawk. Even explore exciting new foods in our wok and steamer, on our rotisserie skewers, and our Dutch oven. The Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection is designed to help you discover what's possible. The Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection can be used with previous Genesis and Spirit models going back to 2016, as well as the Smokefire EX4. Simply purchase the Weber Crafted frame kit, grates, and grillware.